Okay, so I was saying I want to make this area darker. As you to make it darker, I can I'll add ultramarine blue and sap green. So the green. So whatever green you use, you can add ultramarine there, and you make it darker. So for me, yeah, that's the kind of darkness that I want to use. And you see that the texture that I'm getting there. Yeah. And same maybe here to show this line. Yeah, of course we are not following the what exactly what's happening on the reference, but we got the concept, so that's important. And this is the kind of dry brush on a paper. Okay, I have to wait and let this part dry. So I think it's almost dry. So the second step is, at this stage I have some dark areas and I also have some light areas. So maybe from now on I don't look at the reference photo a lot, but what's important here is I have to make a kind of balance in my painting. So I have to see I have to when I talk about the balance, it means I have to see, okay, so how much of this painting I want to have it dark and how much I want to have light. So in this step, it will be completely personal and based on your feeling or whatever, but because I want to focus on this area and this line, maybe I have to put dark values around this part. So I start from light color, but I think about the shapes as well. So some part I add some details to show here's the leaves, and sometimes I leave it. And because I want to show this part as well, so I try to use a darker value and show these leaves as well. Yeah. And again, for this area, maybe I use I go with the cold version of the paint, but now I only add some part. For this area I think I'm okay. I don't need to work on it more. but I want to show some shadows here, so maybe it's better to use this color and show the shadow. So now we see it all. We put lots of details in this part and emphasize it. That's good, because we wanted to show it this way. And I like to maybe add some light yellow there. I think that's fine. Yeah. So the next part is adding some lines, points. So we already have some surface. Surface is almost ready, but we need to add some lines. So every composition has lines, points. Start from the points, lines, and surfaces. In watercolor, we usually start from surface, and later on we add lines. So when it comes to lines in landscape, it means the trunk of the trees. So it means if we add some lines, we are identifying the trunks of the trees. So when they go closer to light, they're so we have to use light color and only show those lines in the background. We have to get a kind of variety of shapes, because we already have that variation in the surface area. So if you get that variety of the lines as well, so we can get the better composition actually. So, and there are some lines here that maybe these are very critical to make decision where to put them. But so I start from here, because see, yeah, and it goes maybe one here and they go up. So that's one thing. The other one, I like this guy here, which goes there. And the other one, they're on that part, on the background, so these are here. So by adding these lines, see what I mean, we are getting a kind of different meaning of and that's why that maybe is a kind of magic maybe magical feeling of watercolor or maybe painting, because suddenly you feel that the kind of spirit goes to the painting. Yeah, so here I would like to, okay, so that's one. Maybe I want to add maybe I add one more here. So yeah, in reference photo we don't have this tree. And for here, maybe we leave it the way that it is. But again, I'm not happy with this area because it's not dark enough. So there is room to make it darker. So let's make it dark. So again, use green and ultramarine, and I put yeah, I put dark maybe here, and maybe here. So yeah, by adding these shapes, maybe it gives us, so these are the points. To me, these are the points, and I play with them, you know. I only try to make the surface out of them. See, by making this area dark, we are emphasizing this point. So maybe I have to add more green here, and I would like to add a kind of dark line. So when I'm talking about painting, I don't say I want to paint tree, or I want to, you know, I want to paint a figure or something. I said I want to add line here, and maybe for you that line is tree, and so I add some more leaves here. Yeah, I think it's enough here. So, but I really like to show these light greens. To me, it's very nice to show them. So it's I add more leaves on the bottom part. Yeah. And some shadow here. Yeah. Uh, Maybe I would like to add a kind of warm texture, so it's, yeah. I think it's